si John Vic kagabi. Well, actually, he was outwitted and outsmarted. So, Congressman Kiko announced that it would be yung kilos protesta ay mangyayari sa harap ng gate sa Forbes Park or sa harap, supposedly in front of the house of Martin Romualdez. Pero sinara po yung gate at ito ay binantayan, dinagsaan po ng sandamakmak na pulis at dumating din si SILG Remulla. The funny thing is, yung nagkaroon tuloy ng a bunch of jokes doon sa Raha Suleiman na sinasabi namin, ang social talaga ng Forbes, ang kanilang security guard, Secretary of the Interior and Local Governments. O, di ba? But, sige, nag-relax yung mga police when Kong Kiko decided na, he showed up in Raha Suleiman and then actually showed up on stage twice, but without giving a speech, he suddenly took off for Makati and announced, dun tayo sa Dasmariñas Gate. At the Dasmariñas Gate, he said, oops, it should be Forbes. And when yung mga tao ni Sec John Vic ay naka-relax lang, that's when he showed